Hey guys, welcome back to iToolab channel. In this video, we will talk about how to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Android. This process will be helpful when you're switching phones. First of all, click the Start button. Next, connect your iPhone and Android to computer using USB cable. Select the iPhone as the source device and the Android as the destination device. Tap the transfer icon and make sure to allow USB authorization on Android and trust the device on iPhone. Here is a tip about the WhatsApp data on your targeted device will be overwritten. Please back up and then keep going. On the next screen, we will see the media type you can choose. Select the media files you want to transfer and then click Continue. Kindly wait for a few minutes. After backing up WhatsApp data on the source device, you'll need to verify your WhatsApp account with your phone number. Make sure to disable two-step verification on your Android device. Click on the Disable button to continue WhatsApp transfer. When the WhatsApp account is activated successfully, your WhatsApp data will be transferred from iPhone to Android within minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to iToolab if you think this video is useful.